Eat Crow, Unraveling the Mystery. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a peculiar English phrase that might have you scratching your head: eat crow. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's unravel the mystery of eating crow together. When someone says they have to eat crow, they're not talking about dining on a bird. In English, eat crow is an idiom that means to admit a mistake or acknowledge that one was wrong after taking a strong position. For instance, if someone was very confident about a fact, only to find out they were mistaken, they might say, "I guess I have to eat crow now." The exact origins of eat crow are a bit murky, but there are some popular theories. One tale traces it back to the early 19th century, where an American and a British soldier had an encounter. The American soldier took a shot at a crow, but missed. The British soldier, trying to highlight the American's poor shooting, shot the crow himself and then, cheekily, encouraged the American to eat it. Later on, when the British soldier was off guard, the American forced him to eat a piece of the crow as a form of humiliation. Regardless of its true origin, crows are generally not considered good eating in many cultures, which lends weight to the idea of eating crow as a form of humiliation or admitting a mistake. Here are some example sentences to show how eat crow can be used in everyday conversation. 1. After all the boasting about his skills, Jake had to eat crow when he lost the game. 2. I was so sure that I had the answer right, but now I see I was wrong. I'll have to eat crow and apologize. 3. Sarah predicted the project would fail, but it was a huge success. She's probably eating crow now. So, there you have it. Eat crow is all about admitting you were wrong, even when you were confident or boastful about being right. It's a colorful way to express a humbling experience. We hope this video sheds light on this intriguing idiom. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories behind them. Happy learning, and until next time, may you always find joy in discovering new phrases,